Imagine an era where a person could be locked away indefinitely, without charge or trial. Welcome to England, prior to the Habeas Corpus Act. This was a time when the balance of power teetered dangerously in favor of those in authority. The rights of the individual were often overlooked, a mere afterthought in the grand scheme of things. Arbitrary arrests were the order of the day, a stark reminder of the unchecked power of the ruling class. Yet amidst this turmoil, a beacon of hope shone through the darkness: the Magna Carta. This groundbreaking document, inked in the year 1215, laid the foundational stones for what would later become the Habeas Corpus Act. It dared to challenge the status quo, boldly asserting that no one, including the king, was above the law. As the winds of change began to blow, the need for a law to protect the rights of individuals was becoming increasingly apparent. The year 1679 marked a turning point in English law. Enter the Habeas Corpus Act. This pivotal legislation was introduced by the English Parliament, a body which had over the centuries gradually wrestled power away from the monarchy. The act was a milestone in this ongoing struggle, a testament to the growing influence of Parliament in shaping the rule of law. The Habeas Corpus Act was groundbreaking in its provisions. It ensured that no individual could be unlawfully detained, requiring that a court order, or writ, be produced before a person could be held in custody. This was a radical departure from previous practices, where individuals could be imprisoned indefinitely without charge. But the act wasn't born in a vacuum. It came to life during a tumultuous time in England's history. The Restoration era was marked by political upheaval and religious conflict. In this climate of uncertainty and fear, the Habeas Corpus Act was a beacon of hope, a promise of individual liberties protected under the law. The act also reflected a broader shift in societal values. The concept of innocent until proven guilty was gaining traction, and with it the understanding that liberty was a fundamental right, not a privilege to be granted or withdrawn at the whim of those in power. Thus, the Habeas Corpus Act was born, a beacon of hope in a troubled time, a safeguard against the tyranny of unchecked power. The Habeas Corpus Act didn't just change the legal landscape in England, it echoed across the world. Its impact was so profound, it's hard to imagine what the global legal framework would look like without it. It was the seed that sprouted into a tree of liberties, its branches reaching out to shape not only the U.S. Constitution, but also the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The Act's influence is evident in the Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which includes the clause "No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law." Beyond its initial influence, the Act has evolved over time, adapting to the changing needs of society. It has been amended, interpreted, and reinterpreted, serving as a living testament to the dynamism of law. Its essence, however, remains the same: to protect individuals from unlawful detention. In contemporary law, the Act continues to play an indispensable role. It serves as a check against governmental abuse of power and a safeguard for individual rights. It gives voice to the voiceless, ensuring everyone, regardless of their status, has the right to challenge the legality of their detention. From its humble beginnings in a turbulent era, the Habeas Corpus Act has grown into a cornerstone of individual rights, a testament to the enduring power of law.